I am Sukesh from ECE. Today I am telling a seminar in physics about Chunel diode. Chu- Chunel diode or Sky diode is a type of semiconductor diode that has efficiently negative resistance due to quantum mechanical effect called tuning. It was invented in August 1957 by Leo Sky, Yurikyo Kushiro and Taksha Suzuki when they were working at Toyoko Tushkin Kyogo, now known as Sony. In 1973, Iskari received the Nobel Prize in Physics jointly with Brain. Structure of Fresnel diode. Type passive. Working principle. Quantum mechanical effect called tuning. Inventor Leo Iskai Yuruko Ishkur. First production Sony. Pin configuration anode and cathode. Jos- Josephson for discovering the electron turning effect used in these diodes. Robert Noyce independently devised the idea of a tunnel diode while working at William Shockley, but was discouraged from testing. Tunnel diode were first manufactured by Sony in 1957, followed by General Electric and other companies from about 1960 and still made in low volume today. Electronic symbol anode left side cathode right side. Uses the negative differential resistance in a part of their operating range allows them to function as oscillators and amplifiers and in switching circuits using hysteresis. They are also used as frequency converter and dictators. Their low capacitance allows them to function at microwave frequencies far above a range of ordinary diodes and transistors. Forward bias operation. Under normal forward bias operation as voltage being to increase, electron at first tunnel through a very narrow PN junction barrier filler states in conduction. Band of N side which become the ignited with the empty valence band whole states on the P side of PN junction. As voltage increases further the state become increasingly miscellaneous and current drops. This is called negative differential resistance because current decreases with increasing voltage. As voltage diode beings to operate a normal diode where electrons travel by conduction across the p-n junction longer by turning. To the p-n junction barrier, the almost important operating region for a tunnel diode is negative resistance. It is a graph difference between p-n junction diode. Reverse bias operation graph on horizontal axis I1, I2, on vertical axis V1, V2, V. When used in the reverse direction, tunnel diodes are called black diodes or back and can act as fast rectifiers with zero offset voltage and extremely lenient lift for power signals. Under reverse bias, Phillips states of the P side become increasingly ignited with empty states on the N side. Electrons now tunnel through the p-n junction barrier as reverse direction. Uses the negative differential resistance in a part of the operating ranges allow them to function as oscillator switching circuits and hysteresis. These are listed as frequency converter and dictators. The low capacitance allow them to function at microwave frequencies far above a range of ordinary diodes and transistors.